20 wildlife species of Australia. Kangaroo. Think of a kangaroo as a supersized rabbit with a built-in baby carrier. They have these incredible legs that let them hop really fast and far, kind of like bouncing on a pogo stick. Kangaroos are vegetarians, meaning they only eat plants like grasses and leaves. They have a pouch on their belly, like a pocket, where their babies stay safe and warm until they're big enough to hop around on their own. Kangaroos are social animals, which means they like to hang out together in groups. These groups are called mobs, and they can have lots of kangaroos in them. They are mostly active in the mornings and evenings when it's cooler, and they spend their days resting in the shade. Koala. Koalas might look like cuddly teddy bears, but they're actually related to kangaroos. They are marsupials, which means their babies also grow up in a pouch. Koalas are super chill animals that spend most of their time in trees. They have sharp claws that help them climb and strong arms to hug the branches. Eucalyptus trees are like a koala's supermarket and bed all in one. They eat the leaves, sleep in the branches, and rarely come down to the ground. Since eucalyptus leaves don't give them much energy, koalas sleep a lot to conserve it. Wombat. Wombats are like sturdy little bulldozers. They have strong claws and powerful legs that help them dig big burrows underground. These burrows are like tunnels where they live and raise their babies. Wombats are shy and mostly come out at night to eat grasses, roots, and other plants. One of the coolest things about wombats is their poop. It's cube-shaped, which is super unusual in the animal world. Scientists think this helps them mark their territory. Echidna. Imagine a porcupine that eats ants. Echidnas are covered in sharp spines to protect them from predators. They have long snouts and sticky tongues that they use to slurp up ants and termites. They don't have any teeth, so they grind up their food with special plates in their mouths. Echidnas are very special because they lay eggs, just like birds. But unlike birds, they are mammals, which means they have fur and produce milk to feed their babies. Platypus. This animal is so strange. It's like someone combined different parts of other animals. It has a bill like a duck, furry body like an otter, webbed feet, and a tail like a beaver. Platypuses live in rivers and streams, using their bills to sense prey like insects and worms in the water. Like echidnas, platypuses are also mammals that lay eggs. They have venomous spurs on their hind legs, which they use to defend themselves. Dingo. Dingoes are wild dogs that live in Australia. They look a lot like pet dogs, but are much more independent and don't rely on humans. Dingoes are important predators, which means they hunt other animals like rabbits, kangaroos, and even small livestock. Dingoes play a crucial role in the ecosystem by helping to control populations of other animals. They are very adaptable and can live in a variety of habitats, from forests to deserts. Tasmanian Devil. This creature is only found on the island of Tasmania. It's the largest carnivorous marsupial, which means it eats meat. Tasmanian devils are known for their powerful jaws, loud screeches, and ferocious feeding habits. Sadly, Tasmanian devils are facing a serious threat from a contagious facial tumor disease. Scientists are working hard to find a way to protect them. Kookaburra. This bird is like the comedian of the Australian bush. It's famous for its loud call that sounds just like someone laughing. Kookaburras are a type of kingfisher, and they are experts at catching fish, insects, and small animals. You can often see kookaburras perched on branches, watching for their next meal. They are very social birds and often live in family groups. Emu. Emus are giant birds that can't fly. They are the second largest bird in the world, after the ostrich. Emus have long, powerful legs that allow them to run very fast. Emus are found all over Australia and are known for their booming calls. They are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals, including fruits, seeds, insects, and small reptiles. Saltwater crocodile. This is the biggest reptile in the whole world. Saltwater crocodiles are found in northern Australia and are very dangerous predators. They have incredibly strong jaws and sharp teeth, and they can grow to be over 20 feet long. Saltwater crocodiles live in rivers, swamps, and even the ocean. They are ambush predators, which means they wait patiently for their prey to come close before attacking. Great white shark. This is one of the most famous and feared sharks in the world. Great white sharks are huge, with some growing over 20 feet long. They have rows of sharp teeth and are apex predators in the ocean, meaning they are at the top of the food chain. Great white sharks are found in coastal waters around Australia. They are powerful swimmers and can travel long distances. Humpback whale. These gentle giants are known for their incredible size and their beautiful songs. Humpback whales migrate thousands of miles every year, traveling from their feeding grounds in Antarctica to their breeding grounds in warmer waters. Humpback whales are baleen whales, which means they have special plates in their mouths to filter food out of the water. They eat tiny creatures called krill and small fish. Gray-headed flying fox. These are giant bats with a wingspan of over 3 feet. They look a bit like foxes with wings. Gray-headed flying foxes are important for the environment because they help spread seeds and pollinate flowers. They are nocturnal, which means they are most active at night. During the day, they roost in large groups called camps in trees. Redback spider. This spider is famous for its red stripe on its back and its venomous bite. Redback spiders are found all over Australia, often in urban areas. It's important to be careful around them and avoid their webs. Redback spiders are nocturnal and build messy webs in dark corners, sheds, and under rocks. They are not aggressive but will bite if they feel threatened. Box jellyfish. This jellyfish is one of the most dangerous creatures in the world. Its sting can be deadly to humans. Box jellyfish are found in northern Australian waters during the warmer months. Box jellyfish are transparent and difficult to see in the water. They have tentacles covered in stinging cells that can cause severe pain and even death. Goanna. Goannas are large lizards that are found all over Australia. They are excellent climbers and swimmers. Some goannas can even grow to be over 6 feet long. Goannas are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They hunt for insects, small mammals, birds, and even other reptiles. Frill-necked lizard. This lizard is famous for its frill, which is a flap of skin around its neck. When it feels threatened, it opens its frill wide to look bigger and scarier. Frill-necked lizards are found in northern Australia. They are mainly active during the day and spend their time basking in the sun and hunting for insects. Perentie. This is the biggest lizard in Australia. Perenties are powerful predators and can even kill kangaroos. They are found in arid areas of Australia and are good at surviving in hot, dry conditions. Perenties are expert hunters and use their sharp claws and teeth to catch their prey. They are also good climbers and can often be seen basking on rocks. Sugar glider. These tiny creatures are like miniature flying squirrels. They have a special membrane between their front and back legs that allows them to glide through the air. Sugar gliders are nocturnal and live in trees. They are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including insects, nectar, sap, and fruits. Quokka. These adorable marsupials are known for their friendly nature and their smiling faces. Quokkas are found on Rottnest Island in Western Australia and are a popular tourist attraction. Quokkas are herbivores and love to eat grasses and leaves. They are very social animals and often live in groups.